Can you feel my hair? Oh my god. Hi Arios. What you're about to witness is the fastest human hair install. No stress, no leave out. Only took about an hour. It could be even faster if you don't have two toddlers running around you. I just received this now from Ula Hair. Let's see how it looks. Transparent. So we have 2 packs of Miracle Knots Crochet Hair, and it's French curls, 100% human hair. Can you see it? Lashes, wow, they know how it works. We have the band, crocheting, very important, and this is wrap hair code. And then this beautiful card here also, where it describes everything you need to know about them. Let's dive in. I'm going to do the easiest crochet hair you've ever seen. To maximize our speed, we are going for 6 braids. 3 here and 3 here. My hair is dry because I actually washed my hair earlier before and then I wanted to braid. You know I have children. So once you have children and sometimes you want to do something quickly, something else will happen. So I was attending to the children and now my hair is dry. So you don't need a perfect braid, okay? You don't need it because you're going to, crochet in the hair. So what you just need is for your hair to be, braided. That's all. Click on the subscribe button and also share this video. This is the last one. Keep watching to the end so you learn. I've never tried this color combination before, and then when I saw it, I said I'm going for this. So let's dive in. I'm about to crochet now, so make sure you don't miss any step. Okay, so this is it. My face is already changing, just one. So I decided to double the crochet hair so it will be faster, but in some places I use one. The feeling behind my eyes, you stood out cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November, you and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. Guys, this is just one pack. I see how full it is. Look, so this is the one remaining from one. So I'm going to reserve this in case I need to fill up some places at the back. Let's go. This is the second pack and it's going to look like this. As we close out the night underneath the lilac sky, summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November, you and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. 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 So guys, this is the last one. I'm looking for where to fill it in. Where? I think somewhere here. Okay. Yay, guys. I'm done. I am done. Look at the back.
So beautiful. Wow.
So guys, look at how full it is. I'm feeling like a boss lady. Can you feel my hair? Oh my god. Actually, I love it like this, but after some styles, I'm going to use my coil. This is my coil, and then this is water and product I added there, which is coil that I've mixed here. And this is the first style. So you're going to mix it up, like mix them like this. Okay, this is like, the hair is so lightweight, like I'm not even feeling anything despite being full like this. It's so light. For those of you who want to buy the hair, use the link on my description. Make sure you use my code JAS90 to get 10% off the purchase. You can also flip it this way.
Redemption ever came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone.
So this is Koala. I want to see how the coils come out. So I'll be using Koala and water. Let's see. It's enough water. Let's see. Oh my god.
But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming.
You can literally use your hand like this to go through it instead of combing it with this brush. So this is the before and this is the after. Do you prefer this or this? Let me know in the comments. As for me, I love this. I want it full. So this is the last time after putting it in water. This is how it looks like. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, okay? See ya!